Afternoon, guys. We're off out. We're going to do some wild camping. We're going to do some campfire cooking. We're off to the Galloway forest. We're going to have fun, aren't we, Ollie?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Yep. And we're actually in Drayton at the moment, and just round there is where that hill is that I'd done a couple of weeks ago in the snow. So we're going to have fun, Ollie.
Yeah!
We're going to have some campfire cooking, aren't we?
Yes, and this is real camping.
Real camping, yes, real camping.
Was it the first time subscribers? But they watch it more times.
He says if you're a first time subscriber, don't forget to subscribe. So we're off, aren't we? Right, so off we go.
And give us all the thumbs up and beat Eddie.
Oh yeah, give us a thumbs up and beat Eddie.
And he's very done.
Scottish Wild Camper. That's for Eddie. Beat Eddie.
And I'm in the drawing.
Yeah. So
I'm in the drawing.
we're going to drive there, guys, and I'll bring you back when we get there. That's us, we've made it here. We've been here for about an hour. I don't know, maybe an hour and a half, something like that, 2 hours. And got the tent up. Just collecting firewood for tonight. Yeah, and we've got Ollie.
Hi!
So there we go, right. We've turned up. I was going to take that spot, but John and Connor took it. The beat is here. So it is just like that's where the car park is, right? We've been here before. So John and Connor's got the fire on, right? And Ollie keeps stealing the wood. Oh no joke, there was a pile of wood here, but Ollie stole it all.
The beaver. You're a beaver.
Hold it down.
No, it bits in fire and you can't burn yourself. No, that's a no-no. You're not getting burnt. You burn yourself, your dad will end up killing us all.
So that's where my tent is, and we've not got the fire on yet. But I'll show you my little pile of firewood that I've got here. There's Ollie, he's been stealing majority of it. So there's my little pile. I'll use the UCI fireball and we'll get the fire on later. So I'm using my Naturehike tent, the one that I got from banggood.com. I'll put the link below if anybody wants to get the tent. And I've just got my usual sleep mat. Got a little blanket over the top of it for Ollie. I've got my reflective mat. That's my side. I need to go and get the sleeping bags. But yeah, it's just Easter weekend. Going to enjoy myself. So I'm going to go back up to the fire. Chill. You can't beat being in the woods, can you?
It's not a handle, I don't know what it is.
I don't get to one.
Oh, it's not electrical to it, is it?
I don't get to one.
That's probably, maybe with that weight that the fishing thing is.
I
think somebody's in a basin here trying to fish.
don't get to one.
No, because you'll whip somebody betting it with soap. And you'll throw it in the fire and you'll steal it off me.
I've just remembered, right? See where that stick that John's got, right? Right, there's been a ceremony, I reckon, here. I'll take you over and show you, right? It must be look. Somebody's brought a suitcase and burnt it in the middle of the car park. Look, why would you do that? Who knows, huh? So there we go, guys. I've got the little fire on the go. I'm using my UCI fireball, the XL one. So I'm going to do a giveaway, see when I reach 10,000, and I'm going to give one of them away if you want one. So I've not reached that yet, but when or if I reach that amount, I will give one away. So got my nice little pile of wood, and I'm going to get some cooking on the go. So there's Ollie got a cookie.
Yeah, baby. Who's the babies? Baby. And I got who there for that iPhone.
Right, good way, Ollie. So I'm going to chop the onions, Ollie.
Yeah.
Some onions.
Yeah. And mushrooms.
And mushrooms, yep.
And even when they tell with pickles.
Some pickles as well.
Yeah, chili with pickles.
Chili with pickles.
And
I don't
that,
know about that.
it's that's the chili with pickles. So I thought,
Wait, can you come
I
behind me?
and the eel one was like, say my one, and I got say one, and then say my one, and then there's yours one, and there's me one, at the end. He's a bit of diving at me. He's just doing my every off.
Hey, Ollie, can you go away for the camera? Stand over here. So I'm using my USGI mess tin as always. Get that on the go. I'm making some sliced sausage. It's made with steak for anybody in America. It's like beef burgers or patties, whatever you want to call them, but it's made with beef and it's in a square. So cook them, man.
Bad news. And this label. Oh, it's hard to put this no way. I need that thing. It's liberty back. So wow.
Yeah, over here.
Now what me? Now what me?
You smile, Ollie.
I really like this pet stuff. Guys,
Yep, we cut the mushrooms up, Ollie.
yes, and now you know what about that one thing?
What long thing?
That one.
Oh yeah, the
mouse
log,
on
yeah.
it. Remember? Spot. To a spot. Spot.
There's the food ready, guys. I've got some potato scones on the fire at the moment. So we've got the beef sausages. I've got some mushrooms. That's mine. I'm doing the potato scones at the moment. So that's Ollie's dinner. There we go. Look at that. Does that look good? Potato scone, bit of cheese, yummy yummy.
Dad, I want something.
Are you hungry, Ollie?
Yeah.
Are you going to starve?
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't die for 30 days.
starving by. There we go. Right.
Like,
There's some dinner for you.
like your dad.
So what's the verdict? Is it any good?
I did 1,000 points.
1,000 points. That's good.
Or 1 trillion points.
A trillion. That's
Yes.
even better.
Or a billion. Or
What's that?
a billion means 1 and 300 zeros.
1 in 300 zeros.
Yeah.
Wow. That yummy?
Yeah.
So we're staying tonight
Yeah.
in the tent.
Yeah.
Dessert time, guys. Look what I've got for dessert. Can you see it? It's upside down. Look. Oh, jammy buns. Do they look good? But they're all mine. All mine.
Good. And it's me, Ollie, and it's midnight. Hi, guys. And it's me, Ollie, and Dad. And it's midnight, so we need to go to sleep.
Oh, it's not midnight. What time is it? I think it's like 7 o'clock.
It's 7 o'clock, so we go to bed.
Are you going to bed, Ollie?
Yeah.
We're using my snazzy light, aren't we?
Yeah.
Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, there we go. I'll turn the light off and I'll show you. That's the light. I got given it, so I'm sure I done a video, didn't I? There's the light. But yeah, we're off to bed, aren't we, Ollie?
Yeah.
Are you tired?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's put the light back on.
The two guys was like sleepy guys. And they was like talking like 1,000 times. Say like Biani, they was like let me have a chihuahua.
So, how was dinner? How would you rate it? Was it good?
Yes, I want to tell you.
You enjoying the camping?
Yeah.
Are you going to be number one? Tell Eddie you're number one.
Eddie, I'm the number one.
Number one. Are you number one, Ollie?
Yes. Winner, hitting winner. And this glitter, glitter.
Winner, chicken dinner.
Winner, chicken
That's a little video for Eddie,
Yes, so.
Scott's Wild Camper. So,
Yeah, he was.
are we off to bed?
Yeah.
Right, so, good night.
Good night,
Good night.
And don't be high tight.
Yeah, whatever you said there, Ollie. I don't know what you said.
Don't
But
be
yeah,
height.
good night. You liking the tent?
Yeah, and
This is your first time in the new tent,
yes,
isn't
and
it?
I have a chihuahua.
Yep, so, good night.
Yeah, good night.
Good night.
So tired, I found. And
Morning, Ollie.
the
You want to open the tent for me?
And this is a nightmare. I just stored 3 little pink marbles.
Little pigs don't live in the woods, Ollie.
No, there's little marbles.
Right, oh, there we go, look at that, the scary woods. Let me see the woods. Get the light on. Ooh. There we go, can we see that? No. No, there we go. It's like 6 in the morning and Ollie wants to get up. We've been awake since like 4 o'clock, haven't we, Ollie?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy camping?
No.
No, you told me you did. You said you had fun.
No, but they found 2 more red marbles.
Oh, you're lying to the camera now, aren't you? You said you had fun.
Now there's 5 marbles.
Oh, you're such an actor. Such an actor.
I found a red one and a blue one. So that's 5 more.
Well, we're getting up, guys, so we're heading out into that. Woo-hoo-hoo.